and welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about inspiring one another and building each other up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more new videos on staying healthy and thinking healthy. Today I will be showing you how to squat effectively in 3 different ways. Lately I've been realizing that I'm either in the kitchen or sitting down working on something. So what happens is whatever I eat, it's all stored in my unwanted areas. It's stored either in my tummy or everything is stored behind me, which I don't want. This exercise, I'm purposely going to do it in my kitchen because each time I cook or work on something, I always have an excuse that I don't have time. So this squat is going to help strengthen your glute, quad, and core muscles. You don't need any weights. All you need is your body weight, and it's going to help. The gravity and body weight is going to help your resistance power. Are you coming to the kitchen with me? Let's get started. First type of squat exercise is going to be your regular body weight squat. First of all, stand straight and your feet slightly wider than hip width apart. Keep your chest lifted, engage your core, tuck your tummy inside, back flat as you shift your weight into your heels, which will help take the stress off your knees. You want to feel it in your glute and quads. So let's get started. Ready? We'll be doing it for 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Take a break. It's really important when squatting to think about bending your torso forward from your hips and pushing your butt back towards the wall behind you as you bend your knees and lower. So let's get started. The remaining 5. 16, 17, 18, 19, and the last one, 20. Now take a break, have some water, and let's get ready for the second type of squat. This time, along with the regular squat, you will further go lower twice. Tuck your tummy and let's get started. Lower, lower, up. You will be doing this for 10 times. 1, lower, lower, up. 2, lower, lower, up. 3, lower, lower, up. 4, lower, lower, up. 5, lower, lower, up. 6, lower, lower, up. 7, lower, lower, up. 8, lower, lower, up. 9, lower, lower, up. Are you feeling the burn? It's the last one now. 10, lower, lower, up. How are you doing so far? Are you feeling the burn in your glute and quad? Good. Now take a break, have some water, and let's get ready for the third type of squat. This time, as you lower, you will be holding yourself for 3 counts. And you'll be doing this for 5 times. So let's get started. Tuck your tummy in your position. Lower, lower, 1, 2, 3. That's how you'll be doing. Alright. Starting now. 1, lower, lower, 1, 2, 3, up. 2, lower, lower, 1, 2, 3, up. 3, lower, lower, 1, 2, 3, up. 4, lower, lower, 1, 2, 3, up. 5, lower, lower, 1, 2, 3, up. How did you feel? You may also look at yourself in the mirror just to see that you're doing it right. That's how you should be looking. Alright, you did it! And I can feel the burn already. Feels so good.